everybody, this is Mibella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to Sarojini Nagar market again because this was a very highly requested video, and as you can see from the title, it's all about bags. So I'll be taking you along with me to places where you can find good bags in Sarojini Nagar. Now there were so many comments and requests asking me to cover places where we can buy specific things. So if you like to see more of such videos, like where can we find shoes, bags, saris, Indian wear, western wear, then I can do all of that. Please comment down below if you want these kind of videos. So I'll be showing you all the places where you can buy bags from, both expensive as well as inexpensive or mid-range, whatever. All of these places in one particular video. So if you are a bag lover like me, if you are a bag enthusiast like me, you will love this video. And yeah, I think we should go to the vlog without any more delay. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun, interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye. This is the Old Tree shop, which is shop number 151 opposite Big C. Now this is one of my favorite shops to buy bags from. You'll get all kinds of bags and they range from around 350-400 rupees and goes up to 2000 rupees. You'll get leather bags as well as fancy bags. This time when I went, they had not restocked it with their new stuff, but when they actually stock it up, they have really good bags. Still, I managed to find quite interesting bags here. In fact, they keep a stock of very quirky, tumblery bags, which I really like. You may also get leather bags or faux leather bags here. You should definitely check them out. The next shop is shop number 71, which is one of my favorite again. It looks very small from the outside, but inside they have huge variety of bags. These were for 350 rupees, I think, and it ranges up until 1500 to 2000 rupees. I really loved this chessboard black bag as well as the Chanel copy bag. I mean, these were for I think 400 rupees. Almost all small sling bags in Sarojini range from 300 to 400 rupees to 500 sometimes. Look at these backpacks. I really like the tan colored, mehendi colored backpack on the left. These range from around 600 to 900 rupees, sometimes more than that, but generally give and take 600-700 rupees. As you enter inside, you'll find more bags like these. These will be for 500 rupees and above, and these will be of I think bigger bags. So yeah, if you want to check tote bags, handbags, etc., you can go inside and check these out. This is another shop which I love and I keep buying bags from. This is 64A, very nearby the previous one. This also looks quite small, but they have huge quantity of bags. These are very popular nowadays, the long slingy triangular bags. I really love the red colored maroon backpack as well, and you'll get a lot of sling bags. These were for 350 rupees to 400 rupees. It ranges up until 500 rupees. I really like this black and pink one as well. These sling bags with sunflowers on them were so cute. They were for 350 rupees, and you'll get simpler ones as well, like these black plain sling bags. You will get other kind of bags like these, like very tassely bags. These are for I think 450 to 500 rupees, and you can ask them for discount, but they will give you a maximum of 50 rupees as discount, not more than that.
बैकपैक 500 से।
अच्छा, ये कितने का है?
ये 1000 का। लोगे तो 800 रुपए लगा दूंगा।
I loved this bag and he said he'd give me 200 rupees discount on it. So the bigger or the pricier the bag, the more discount you will get. But if the price is like 350-400, you'll not get much of a discount. Now we come to a leather bag shop called Palcraft. Now these have a lot of bags which are export products, so you'll have to check out for wear and tear. Sometimes these bags are really good, but sometimes they might be torn from some portion, so you'll have to check them out. You'll also get a lot of messenger bags, etc., for boys as well as girls. I really liked their products because they are quite different from the normal ones that you get in Sarojini. They also have homeware stuff, but I'm not concentrating on that right now. You'll see a lot of bags like these and a lot of leather bags on top, sling bags. These range from around 900 rupees to 2000, 3000 rupees depending upon the condition of the bag as well as the quality of the bag. Boys can also find a lot of good messenger bags from here, both made of canvas as well as leather, so you can come and check this shop as well. Crafts Fashion is another export shop where you can find leather bags and shoes, but they did not allow me to shoot inside, so I'm inserting a very small clip of how the shop looks like from outside. Shop number 145, which is near Quick Bites restaurant, is another place where I love shopping bags from. Now they have a lot of varieties of bags again, sling bags, backpacks, tote bags, canvas bags, etc. Look at that black one, I really like that black one, it's so cute. If you go inside, they have a huge basement with lots and lots of bags. You'll also get these big bags or these kind of bags, which is very similar to the H&M bags that you get. And yeah, now let's move inside. Look at these bags. Some of these were so cute and so nice. I wanted to buy all of them. There were bags on the floor, on the shelves, as well as on the top. I really like these backpacks. Now these are not only for girls but boys as well. As you can see it's like very big, very spacious, and you'll get these kind of bags in H&M, Forever 21, Zara. You'll get these for around 900 rupees here, while on the other hand in showrooms you'll get it for much higher price. Now this is another shop which was opened new, very near the previous one, and it also had a lot of good bags under very good price range as well. These were for I think 300 rupees and they were of very good quality. Inside they had lots and lots of pastely, pink, fluorescent green, fluorescent blue colored bags, which are very in nowadays. I really liked this small floral bag. It was so cute, the right size as well. Look at this bag. I absolutely fell in love with this bag. Look at the color, the print. It's so unusual yet so chic and in nowadays. You'll also get many other bags like these, as you can see. Shop number 137 is another small shop opposite the mall, so inside the market itself. They have a lot of tote bags, canvas bags, also backpacks which are made of canvas. They give quite a decent discount as well, but this is not one of my favorite place in Sarojini to shop bags from. This is quite okay, but you can go and definitely have a look inside. Now let's move on to reasonably priced shops like Jug Store, which is shop number 64. All of these sling bags will be for 200 rupees. They are so reasonably priced, but they are quite good for the price. Of course, they will not be like absolutely great like the other ones, but still for 200 I cannot bargain. I really like their sling bags, but I don't like their tote bags that much because they are the regular 200 rupees kind of tote bags. Yeah, so all of these are for 200. He really wanted me to film him and then pan out to his shop's name, so here it is as promised. Shop number 30, which is in Sabji Mandi Lane, is I think one of the only shop which sells ethnic bags. I really like this grey bag. It's so sober. Also, the sling is so interesting. Look at it. And yeah, this was for I think 250 rupees, and you can bargain here and there a little bit. The shop looks like this, and it has a lot of tote bags and canvas bags as well, like backpacks. I I loved these sling bags as well. You also get these kind of jhola tote bags or jhola sling bags in various price range. They are so colorful. I really love carrying ethnic bags with western clothes. You will also find bags in showrooms like Kins, Stilettos and other showrooms, but they will be of a higher price most of the time. Now let's head on to the local street shops, and by this I mean the thela walas like these. Look at this. I mean the bags here are only for 200 rupees, 100 to 200 rupees, and they are absolutely very reasonable as well as durable sometimes. I really love the tan colored bag on the top. I really like the mustard colored tassel bag in the right hand corner. And you also get these kind of bags, the water bottle shaped bag. You will also find 100 rupees clutches like these, although I don't like them much, but you know, if you like them, that's fine. You will also find these kind of 400 rupees bags scattered all over Sarojini every day, and you have to check for wear and tear because they are export mal. The rest of them are all these scattered local shops where they sell everything for 200 rupees. You'll also find these travel bags. They range from around 800 to 1500 rupees, and you can bargain there, like huge bargainings. More 200 rupees bags on the streets. Now we have come to the end of the video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.